of you student. Good afternoon everybody. Good afternoon student. Good afternoon everybody student. Stand up you. Stand up.
Afternoon, sir. How are you?
I am fine. You are? I am fine. You are? Fine. Fine. Okay, sit down all up.
Thank you, sir.
Now student, I am going to give information about one activity. You are interested in one activity? Very simple activity. You can one student is round, and after one student telling clap behind that student bango. After that student is going to give a word, one English word. Very simple. Suppose I am here, and suppose I am round here. Suppose this is the type of round. I am round. Okay. After I am rounding. What is step? Rounding, and there is a round. At a time, round is finished here, and after clap behind the student. Bango. Okay, that student is in front of you. Okay, stand up you. Bango. After that, this student is coming here. Here, come center point. Yes, it is a point circle center. It is a circle center. And tell the one English word. Tell the English word. If any word, you tell only English word. Okay. Now tell. Suppose you have to give more information about cat. After talk, and tell the meaning about in Marathi. After. Okay. Suppose cat. 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 Cat means मांजर in Marathi. Okay. Very simple. Okay. Tell another word. दुसरा शब्द सांग. Tell another word.
Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Rose म्हणजे गुलाब.
Yes. Go round and round. Go round.
Bango.
Come here.
R-O-S-E. Rose. 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 R-O-S-E. Rose. Rose म्हणजे गुलाब.
Yes. Go round.
Bango.
Come here. Tell any word in English.
A-N-T. Ant. Ant म्हणजे मुंगी.
Yes. Correct. Go round. Sit straight you. Straight. Yes. Come here. Tell in English word.
Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephant म्हणजे हत्ती.
Okay. Go round. Okay. Stop you. This activity is simple. You understand this all activity because we are not enough time. So I am telling you this activity is very important. Okay. Cut off it.